And whenever you do a goods receipt, you do it with reference to a purchase order. So this link here is very important. And anybody at any point in time can go back and see the reference linkage between the purchase order and the goods receipt. How do you see that? You go to the purchase order and see that there's an extra tab here called the purchase order history, which is basically a history of all the transactions that happened against this PO. Well, not all transactions, but goods receipts and invoice receipts that we're going to see in the next chapter. So let's go and see if our purchase orders have these transactions recorded. Go back. Go back to purchasing. Purchase order. Change or display, because we don't want to create it. And the last created purchase order will automatically be pulled up. Go to the purchase order history tab. Now this tab will not be available if you did not do any kind of subsequent transaction, like a goods receipt, for example. But if you have done a goods receipt, this tab will automatically be added, and you can see the goods receipt that has been made against this PO. If you want, you can even just click on that, and the system will take you to the MyGo transaction that you have created. See, this is the 150 quantity that we have just received, and we have received it in the warehouse 0002, right? You can go back and then you'll see the PO right there. All right, so that was the link between the purchase order and goods receipt. All right, we have another exercise here. So the first question is, what is a transaction code to create a goods receipt? This one is really simple. Second question is, list all the storage locations associated with the plant 3100. You can do it in a couple of ways, and I'll show you the solutions. Third question, do you have to enter quantity in MyGo? This one is a little tricky. Try it out. Number 4, what is the error message you get when you save MyGo without flagging the item as OK? Number 5, can you receive more quantity than ordered in the PO? Meaning, if we have ordered for a quantity of 150, can we receive 160 when the vendor just sends it over? Number 6, what's the transaction code to check the stock level?